Today, we're taking a deep dive into some of the world's most powerful bulldozers, machines built to move mountains. From Italy's monstrous AO Super Bulldozer to Japan's engineering marvels and Russia's rugged workhorses, these giants are designed to handle extreme tasks with precision and brute strength. Let's explore these earth-moving beasts and see what makes each one a legend in its class. First up, we have the monumental AO Super Bulldozer, a true giant in earth-moving. Built in Italy, this beast weighs a massive 183 tons and has a blade over 23 feet wide. It's powered by an incredible 1,400 horsepower engine, giving it unmatched strength to handle even the toughest terrain. Originally designed for land development projects in Libya, it never made it there due to international trade restrictions. Today, it remains in Italy as a symbol of impressive engineering. Next is the Komatsu D575A, a powerhouse from Japan. While it competes for the title of the world's biggest bulldozer, it's definitely among the most respected. With its strong 1,150 horsepower engine, this bulldozer can move huge amounts of earth effortlessly. Its tough design and advanced features make it a favorite on job sites around the world. The spacious cab is designed for operator comfort, with ergonomic controls, a comfortable suspension seat, and intuitive monitoring systems that help operators work safely and efficiently for long hours. The Caterpillar D11TCD is another giant in the dozing world. Built by industry leader Caterpillar, it combines brute strength with smart engineering. Its torque converter drive system ensures smooth operation while reducing wear and tear. The operator's cab is designed for comfort and productivity, featuring ergonomic controls, excellent visibility, and advanced monitoring systems to keep the operator informed and safe throughout long shifts. Moving on, we have the Komatsu D475A8. This machine packs 890 horsepower and is designed to tackle the most demanding earth-moving tasks. Its well-engineered tracks and powertrain provide excellent maneuverability, even in tight or uneven spaces. The spacious cab offers a comfortable work environment with intuitive controls, allowing operators to stay productive for long hours. Next, we have the Shantou SD90C5 from China. This heavy-duty bulldozer is known for its strong 800 horsepower engine and outstanding pushing power. It can handle large-scale earth-moving jobs with ease. Plus, its fuel-efficient design keeps operating costs lower, while intelligent blade control and real-time monitoring systems help maximize efficiency and precision on the job site. Here's the LEEHUR PR776 Electronic, a German-engineered bulldozer that's all about cutting-edge technology and top performance. With 768 horsepower and advanced hydraulic systems, it offers precise control, even in tight working areas. Its real-time monitoring systems help optimize fuel use and productivity while reducing downtime. The Shantou SD60C5 is another solid performer in heavy construction. With its 530 horsepower engine, it can easily clear land and level surfaces. Its rugged design ensures durability in tough conditions. Advanced technologies like GPS navigation and automated controls allow for precise and efficient operation, making it highly productive on any job site. Next up is the legendary Fiat Alice HD41 FD50. With its powerful 650 horsepower engine, this bulldozer is built to handle the most challenging terrains. The spacious operator cab offers great visibility and comfort, making long shifts easier while delivering powerful and reliable performance on demanding jobs. From Russia, we have the Cetra T40, known for its strength and durability. With a 500 horsepower engine, this bulldozer can power through some of the toughest environments. It's built for reliability in harsh conditions. And it's not just about power. Advanced features like ergonomic controls help operators handle even the most difficult tasks with ease and comfort.